just woke Lilo up to go potty, and she doesn't want to come out because she's falling asleep. Lilo, come Lilo, let's go potty. Come on Lilo. Come on Lilo. Look at her. She won't come out because she's falling asleep. Come on Lilo. Lilo, do you want to go potty? Do you want to go potty? Huh, Lilo? Come on. Come, baby. Come, let's go potty. Lilo, don't you need to go to the bathroom? Look at her eyes. She's struggling to keep them. Oh, I guess she doesn't want to go to the bathroom. Lilo, don't you want to go to the bathroom? I guess not. Okay.